on, you guys? Welcome to Fractured Compass. Bree, what time is it?
I think it's hang time, Mike.
I think it's hang time. New roller coaster time. Mike is super excited for this. Loves. Oh, it's going. Very excited. We're gonna try to tell you guys our experience with this ride. Steepest drop ride in California, so let's do some riding. We're gonna try to ride it at night too, so hopefully the lines will let us do that. It doesn't look too crowded right now, but we'll try.
Are you scared?
No.
No?
A little nervous, but I've had worse. I am excited though. Everybody, we are waiting in line right now for hang time. It's about an hour and 20-minute wait, so
I don't think that's bad for opening day.
No, not at all. I'll wait as long as I need to go on this ride. Wait all day. But so we are waiting in line and we are ready.
Let's do this.
Maybe. Are you kind of sad that hang time replaced Boomerang?
I think Boomerang had its time, and I definitely rode it when I was younger. It's definitely a really good addition. That track is so close to us right now.
Yeah, it is. I always embrace the park changes, so I'm totally fine with what's coming.
We're so close, by the way. We got in line at 6:10, and they are
40 minutes. Check out how far we're from.
It's entirely possible.
And this is how much we have to go.
It's not bad. It's not bad. There's 3 coasters rolling for you guys want to know. You've got basically one going on the track, you've got one loading, and then one waiting to come into the station. So it's pretty efficient. And the fact that it like holds 16 people.
Yeah.
Like,
it's nice.
Pretty good.
And we're rolling along pretty fast here. I honestly thought I was going to be waiting in a 4-hour line. But nope.
Opening day, guys, May 18th. Probably about an hour. Not bad. Yeah. I'm not going to say that's going to be the same on Saturday, but...
No, it's, you know, yeah, no. Wow.
That was amazing, you guys.
We just got off of hang time. It was incredible. It was a lot of fun.
I loved it.
Yeah.
I loved every second of it. Let me put it from this point of view. I'm not a roller coaster person, even though I do enjoy them, but I do get kind of dizzy. Like Silver Bullet, I cannot do, and I won't do.
Yeah, even I get dizzy.
Yeah, like I get dizzy. This does not make you dizzy, and as you go up into these huge wide turns, you get that hang time along the thing, and it's amazing.
Yeah, like the
awesome.
sensation, like when you're like at that like 45-degree angle right before the drop and it stops you. Super nerve-wracking, but a lot of fun, and that was like the highlight of the ride for me. I think was the drop. It was amazing. Definitely go on it again. Yeah, and it was only a 50-minute wait for opening day. Of course, that's gonna vary depending on when you're here, but
I think summertime's gonna get.
Yeah, I would wait 2 hours for that ride. That was a great ride. That was really fun, especially at night when it's all lit up, which we will show you guys right now. Boop. back to daytime. Yeah, so that was the nighttime footage. Amazing. We're not gonna ride it at night this time because we do have to go home. Someone has a new doggo.
Yeah, if you guys check that video out, we'll put a link right next to it.
Somewhere.
So you can check out the newest member of Fractured Compass Productions, Riley.
Super cute.
Yeah.
And who doesn't like seeing a doggo? But with that being said, go ride it, guys. Have a good time.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe to see more of our adventures. Click that like button and let us know what you think in the comments below and if you can ride roller coasters. And be ready, because you never know where your compass will lead you.